Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem PlayStation gift card from Amazon. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a PlayStation gift card from Amazon, the first thing that you need to do is scratch off or check your card code. If it's a physical card, scratch the back to reveal the PIN or code, and if it's an e-gift card from Amazon, check your Amazon email for the code. The next is to sign into a PlayStation account. You can either sign on your PS5, PS4 or a web browser by simply heading over and opening up a web browser, then on the search bar type in PlayStation.com. Then once you're inside here, tap on the sign in option on the top right corner of your screen and log in using your credentials. Then once logged in, what you need to do is simply tap on your profile icon on the top right. Then on tapping it, you'll find an option that says redeem code. Simply select that. Then once you tap on that, what you need to do is simply enter the code, type in the 16 or 12-digit code from Amazon and make sure there are no spaces. Then simply click on continue or next. Then once that's done, you'll see the amount added to your wallet. All you gotta do is tap on confirm and the funds are added to your PSN wallet. And now you can purchase games, DLC or PlayStation Plus subscription using your wallet. And make sure the Amazon gift card matches your PSN account region, and if the code says invalid, check your typos or whether it was already redeemed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.